Hello and welcome to a snowy and very cold New England day.
Yes, this is going to be known supposedly as a blizzard of 2022, so welcome to the blizzard of 2022. And what should we do when there's a blizzard outside?
We should go play in the snow. I mean, what else do you do? I mean, you could stay inside and just watch the news all day and the weather.
Yeah.
But let's go have some fun. Let's go, play. And I don't know what we're gonna do necessarily, but let's go have some fun.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, come along.
It's a blizzard. It doesn't feel too bad out here. I'm so bundled up. I have like multiple coats and sweatshirts and stuff on, but it doesn't feel so bad. What do you think?
I like it.
It's really quiet out here. The mounds of snow are really interesting because it's like blizzarding, so like pathways are clear in some spots, so there's no snow, but other spots it's piled really high, so that's interesting. Also, I'm wearing sunglasses because I don't wear glasses and I need something to protect my eyes.
I like that. Protect your eyes.
The wind's pretty strong. It's super.
I almost slipped.
Also, look at this. You can kind of see what the wind is doing with the snow over here. Can you see?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in it.
Okay. Yeah, because of the winds, it's really hard to tell how deep the snow is.
Yeah, so the news
Because,
is...
also we have plows. We live in an apartment complex, so we have plows, but it's hard to say.
Yeah, so the news is having a difficult time, like, actually measuring it. But they're calling for at least 2 feet, which is amazing.
Are you having fun?
This is almost really, almost really. This is insane.
Oh my God, it's so fun!
Hold on, I'm just gonna go backwards. I'm just gonna...
Go for it. Make it snowy. People with dogs.
I can stay here all day.
Are you having fun?
I'm relaxed.
I want to make a snow angel too.
Gotta make the best of the snow.
Absolutely.
I don't know how to get up though.
Just roll to your side. That's what I usually do. It's not, you can't see super well on camera how snowy it is because the camera is focusing on the things around us rather than the snow. But you'll have to take our word for it. It is very snowy. It's more snowy out here than it looks from our apartment. We're on the 5th floor.
Yeah,
Like over there, usually you can see for a long time that way. Like there's a track over there in a school. Usually you can see all that from here. You can't see any of it. You can kind of see the flags blowing, but not really. I want to make a snow angel next.
Okay. Alright, go for it.
It's really deep on me. It's to my knees. If I was on the way to the ground, it would be past my knees. Okay. Ready?
People from the above floors are probably watching us going, they're crazy.
You can't, it's not packed snow, so you can't build a snowman.
It's the fluffy snow.
Throw a snowball at Brandon, there we go.
I got attacked.
Brandon wants to take a rest on this bench.
Not that I want to take a rest, I just want to...
Amazing.
Do you see how tall it is? Like my feet can just go up?
I love it.
That's amazing.
Very high passion.
I like this. So, it's still coming down pretty hard. They're saying until like 8 o'clock tonight that it's gonna, come down really heavy.
Yeah. I hear plows coming. They've been coming all day, which is amazing. I'm so thankful for that. My glasses are frozen. Like they turn to ice. So I keep having to take them off.
They're actually the over there right behind you.
Oh, really?
So they're probably going to come over here
We
at
should
some
probably
point.
get out of the way.
Yeah. But yeah, this is so much fun. Let's take a walk.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else we come across with snowy New England.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that type of snow, that ice that just smacks you right in the face.
I know. It hurts. It's so painful. It's almost like you're
good. I can even see the frost on your eyelashes and stuff.
That's an eyebrow.
Because it's so windy. I don't know if any of the audio is going to come out good.
Well, we're having fun.
We tried using the GoPro. The GoPro, it was dead.
Last time we used the GoPro was in Hawaii, so conditions were very different.
Yes. All right, so we got we got a snow mound over here, and you're 5'3", right? So she's 5'3", and this is not necessarily all of like the plowing, but this is definitely some of the snow that with the wind has drifted. So yeah, I mean, some of it is plowed, but you can see like there's areas over here that are completely empty, and then other areas that are completely full of snow. And over here is a good representation of the snow. We got some dogs playing in the dog park over there, which is really cute and adorable. Of course, no one's playing basketball today, but
no, not today.
but the dogs are definitely enjoying themselves.
I know, it's so cute.
Again, you could just look over here. You could really see it. Again, some of this is because of the plowing, but some of this is not for the plowing. Yellow snow, I don't want to eat that. But this is from the wind.
Have any of you guys never seen snow before? I'm always so fascinated. We grew up in New Jersey, so we've always had snow. But I'm always so fascinated by the fact that there are people who have never seen snow. So
yeah. And they put these poles over here, so where to.
It's always there?
No, they put them for skiing, so you know where to start shoveling and where to stop. Is that like a cement marker?
Yeah, makes sense.
It is. It's crazy. Let's try to go around because I'm curious to see what
the
road looks like.
Yeah. Look how much it's blizzarding over there.
Yeah, visibility is so bad in that direction.
Not great.
This is all new snow. No one has walked in it, taken a new track. The curb?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know until I fell off of it.
Yeah. This is
the road. Nobody has plowed the roads, I don't think. Actually, no, because there's a mound. I guess we just really are getting a lot of snow.
It's really hard. It's really interesting when it snows because you don't know where the road starts and where it ends.
I know.
Similar to in Florida with the rain. Sometimes the rain can level the sidewalk. I've made that mistake a couple of times. And as you can see in the far distance, there's a car coming with the headlights, but you really can't see that far.
No.
Let's try to go over there.
Okay. You can see right over here that there's no snow. You can see the grass, whereas where we were before was too many snow. Blizzardy.
All right, we're gonna fall down because we're gonna go inside. So ready? 3,
2,
1.
Whee!
My arm.
It's so fun.
Wow, that was a lot of fun.
It was. When we came in, it's getting a bit better, but you can still see it. My face was just like completely rashed and red.
My hair's all messed up, but that was a lot of fun. So we are going to make some cookies
and hot cocoa.
I mean, what way? What could you do? I don't even know what I'm saying.
What better way?
What better way to end a nice and snowy day?
Yeah.
Than to have some hot chocolate, hot cocoa, and some cookies. So it was wow. This is
over. I swear. Show them out the window. It doesn't even look like it's snowing.
This is basically where we were, right? So it doesn't look that bad. I mean, you could see that it's snow, of course, right? And you see people walking, and you see those areas where like the snow the wind basically shoveled the snow itself, right? Like down there, I know the plows came around a bit, but then if you go and you look over here, like by that bench, it's completely covered.
I feel like you can barely even tell that it's actively snowing from up here.
Yeah, you can't tell that it's snowing. But if you go down there, the wind is in your face, and
it's all action.
It's action. It's like you're in a war zone down there. So what I was saying was, I guess, like, if you were in, like, a helicopter or an airplane, I guess that's the view that we kind of see. It's like an elevated view.
We're not that high up.
Right. I mean, we're 5 stories up, right?
Yeah.
But, yeah. But I'm just saying, like, it's different than when you're on the ground and you're looking at it on the ground. It's crazy that it doesn't look like anything up here, but we went down there and we were like falling in the snow.
It was so fun. And this is our first snowstorm really since being in Massachusetts, so I'm happy. It's snowing all up and down the East Coast right now. But I'm so happy. It's so much fun. And knock on wood, we haven't had any power outages. Earlier today, there were like over 115,000 people without power. It looks like they restored about 10,000 customers. But as long as we keep power, it could snow for days.
Well, you know, as long as work gets canceled and stuff, because it's very dangerous to drive in snow.
Don't drive in the snow.
As you saw, like, the visibility was, whoa, it was terrible. Like, you can't see, on the news they were saying it's like 1/4 of a mile that you could see for visibility.
Yeah.
It's really difficult to see.
It's called a whiteout.
Yeah. We were hoping that, I knew that it was kind of like that powdery snow, but I was hoping that we would be able to kind of morph, you know, snowballs or kind of like a mound of, you know, for a snowman, but it's not that type of snow.
Maybe tomorrow.
So, but yeah, it was a lot of fun. I know this is probably a quick, short video, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little New England snow with us.
Yes, we had so much fun.
All right, guys, so with that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along on all of our snow journeys.
Oh no, I was gonna say snow days.
And snow days. And until next video.
Bye.